everyone and welcome to this cosplay tutorial. Now I don't care what people say, I love the 2016 Ghostbusters reboot. I ain't afraid of no hate. My friends, my sister and I decided to make a cosplay group and I chose Abby Yates because she fits well with my personality. In this video I will show you how to make the Ghostbusters jumpsuits, so let's get going! First of all, I drew a quick sketch of how it was going to look like and all the pieces I needed. I made my own pattern on regular paper and transferred this to a simple cotton fabric. I used 2.5 meters of fabric per jumpsuit, but then I had no extra in case I messed up. In the end, it turned out to be a lot of pieces. Legs, arms, torso, collar, pockets, so many pockets. Then it was time to put everything together. It's important to check several times during the process if you're doing it right, because it's so annoying to see something put backwards when you think you're done. For the name text, you could keep it simple and just paint the names right on the fabric, but I like a challenge, so I dived into embroidery for the first time ever. Quite happy with the results, but wow, it took a lot of time and a lot of patience. I got my hands on some iron-on film in orange and silver. You can also use regular fabric and glue it on the suit. I ironed on the orange stripes first, and then the silver one on top. The Ghostbusters patch I bought cheap online, but make sure it's a patch with glue on the back, unless you prefer to sew it on. I ironed it on like any other patch. So for the gloves, I kept it very simple. I just got some cheap black gloves and cut out the fingertips, but not while you're wearing them. And here you have it, my Abby Yates jumpsuit. We're ready to bust some ghosts. I hope you liked this video. For more, don't forget to subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and if you want to support my work, you can always get me a cup of coffee. All links are in the description below. Bye bye!